In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create flowchart in Miro. We will start from a Miro board and use a simple highlight area as the foundation for organizing your flowchart content. Even if you are brand new to Miro, this will be easy to follow. First, open Miro in your browser and go to your board. You might see a board with a default name or a board that you created earlier. Once the board loads, take a moment to orient yourself. Your canvas is the large open space in the middle, and you can zoom in or out to make it easier to work. If your board feels crowded, you can pan around by dragging the canvas so you have a clear area to build in. Next, click on Highlight. In Miro, a highlight is useful because it helps you visually group information on the canvas. It is a simple way to mark an area where your flowchart content will live, so your process stays neat and easy to scan. After you click Highlight, position it where you want your flowchart section to be. Give yourself extra space to the right and below, since flowcharts tend to expand as you add more items. Now, type in Highlight. When the highlight area is active, begin typing the label you want. This text should describe what the highlighted section represents. For example, you might use it as a title for the flowchart or as the name of a stage in a larger process. Keep the wording short and clear so it is readable at a glance. As you type, pay attention to placement and readability. If the text looks cramped, leave more room on the canvas and keep your highlight area organized. Clear labels make it much easier for anyone viewing the board to understand your flow at a moment's notice, especially when you start building out additional parts of your diagram around it. Once your highlight text is in place, you have a clean labeled area that helps set the structure for your flowchart work inside Miro. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.